Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find missing hard drive on your computer. Now this works for all Windows, either you're using a Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. I currently have 3 disks on my PC but only 2 is visible. So this is my disk 0 with 232 gig storage. This is my disk 1 with 297 gig, and this is a partition from the disk 1 which is about 578 megabytes. Now my SSD storage is not visible here and it is currently missing. Now I'm going to show you how to bring it back so it will be displayed among the list of disks here. Now to do that, click on your search bar and then search for disk management. Now you can see over here, create and format hard disk partition. Click on it. So if you look closely, you will see over here 223 gig of unallocated disks. So this is our disk which is currently missing because it is unallocated, so it is not showing on our computer. Now right click on this and then click on new simple volume, next again, and then assign a letter to this disk. So let's call it S, and then click on next again. Give this disk a name, so let's call it SSD. Next, and then finish. Now it will take few seconds to reformat this disk and it will add it back to our system. Now the process is completed and this disk has been added to our system. Now let's go to this PC. So you can see over here, this is our disk 0 which was here before now. This is the disk 1 which I showed you earlier with 297 gig, and this is the partition from disk 1, and this is our disk 2 which we just recovered now. So you can see over here SSD with 223 gig. So with this you can retrieve your missing disks on your computer. This works for all Windows, so it doesn't matter the version of Windows you're using. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.